Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. Alright. Okay y'all, so this video is all about my new hairstyle. Oh, yes. I was inspired by Summer Walker last weekend, or maybe like last week at some point. I saw her and she was like with these like long waist length braids with the beads at the end. I was like, oh, this is cute. And it was an ombre, but hers was a blue to blue. I gotta go to work, so I cannot like go to work with blue hair in my hair. I would have loved to, but I can't do that. So I decided to do a blonde, black to blonde ombre with the clear beads at the ends or whatever like that. So if you want to see how I did these quick and easy braids, they're very thick and long, make sure you continue to watch. But before we get into the tutorial, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Hey y'all. Okay, so I've basically done like everything, but I'm gonna just show you how I do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna part the last 3 braids. These braids are supposed to be a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker, you know what I'm saying? So the parts are gonna be bigger. Of course, when you wanna do a bigger part, you wanna use rubber bands, and this helps. I don't know, for me, it just helps keeps the hair together, it keeps the part looking neat for me. So I love the rubber band method. So what you see me doing, I put some beeswax, as you see me doing again, all around my hair. This just helps everything stay smooth and nice and neat. And I just grab another rubber band and I wrap that around my hair to make like little ponytails. Like when you was little and you used to get them little no, maybe. I don't know, a little bit. So I'm doing the last one, and these are how my last 3 parts look. Alright, so I ordered this hair from Amazon. It was 5 packs of hair for I think $20. I will actually leave that down in the description box below. Right now I'm just separating my hair into 3 different pieces so that I can, you know, make sure everything is nice and even. So I've done a box braid tutorial before, way back when, almost a year ago now, I think. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through me braiding, but you just want to connect that hair and just braid it all the way down, as you can see right now. Yeah, like, you know, you just braid and braid and braid. Honestly, y'all, it took me, I'm gonna go by braid time. It took me about 3 to 4 hours to do this, but it really took me 2 days because I take mad breaks. Because as you can see, it just takes forever. So once I get to the end, I actually tied a tiny little knot in it, and then I go ahead and I go to the next braid. As you can see right now, we're gonna go to the next braid, and I'm just trying to, okay, move out of the way. So yeah, like I said, it doesn't take that long to do these braids because they're really big. I think I have about like 32, 34 braids in my head. I didn't really count. So we're finally on the last braid, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. As you can see, when you're connecting the braid to your hair, just make sure you take your time with that part. There's no need to rush or go any faster or anything like that. Like, it's okay. Just make sure it's neat. And as you can see, like when I'm braiding, I'm just making sure everything is nice and neat. You want the braid to be so pretty and so neat, and that's what makes box braids look really good. Like when everything is neat, uniform, and the same size. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the beads at the end, and I'm so sorry guys, I could have sworn I was filming, but I wasn't. I'm using my edge control, but what I'm going to do right now is tell you what I do with the beads. So all you do is kind of thread the beads. I put 15 beads at the end of each braid, so you kind of just go in, you thread the beads in the hair. So I'll just kind of, like the way I kind of folded it over and tied that little knot, I use that knot as my anchor point, and I put that knot through the bead, and I just put 15 beads. Once you get to the last bead, you tie it around, you twist that last bead around, and then you'll go ahead and tie a rubber band around it, and that'll keep it from staying. keep it staying. I'm so sorry that I'm not showing it to you guys. I suck. I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope I explained that well. Yeah, so like I said, once you get to the end of the beads, you just put a little rubber band at the bottom on that last braid. So now that my edges are all done, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this up out of my way so that we can do some makeup. So we are back, guys. This is the final look. I actually love the way my makeup came out. Hello. You can see, I'm trying to show you guys how the beads look at the bottom. I don't know if you can see really close. When I do it, you see that black rubber band at the bottom. Yeah, so that's what I meant. This voiceover is all over the place. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this style. I really enjoyed doing it. I think I'm going to keep it for about 2 weeks. It's really long. It really does come down to my waist. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.